Hello, everyone. Hello, my lovely people of the office of Henderson, Nevada. As y'all saw, the we already posted. I posted for y'all about the link, and Catherine, as she said, you guys can start learning. Oh, let me delete it. So I type a message. I haven't typed it yet. And as you see, we already know about this, right? We already know about the list. I wanted to make this video just to show you actually how to get to the list, and I guess make sure everything is working. And also, in this video, I'm going to show you the software that you're going to need to install, and also I might have some tips and tricks for you. So this is probably after finishing recording this video, I'm going to put it here in Teams and ask y'all, please watch this video, because I think it's good. It's important. So like I said, you can click on the link here, and it's going to take you to the website, right? But I don't like the website. Let me show you this. If you're like me, you don't like the website, and the links are here are clickable and working. You see, it's just poop, 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 poop. Click on them and it will work. Come on, Valentina, please what? Girl, I'm recording a video. Anyway, so you have them here, but there are another way is because Catherine actually invited me to a team that she made, that she have. So let's click on Teams here, and you see this ORD channel? If you click on it, they also have a conversation here, so y'all can come here and talk to each other. But I made this section here. So if you click on this section, you're going to see the same loop. Loop, by the way, Loop is a software. That's the logo of it. It's kind of a software within Teams that you can add stuff to it. And right now it will show me who's inside this. As you can see here, see me, I'm here, has this page open, and then poop, Sam has this page open, whoop, and then Nathan has this page open. Y'all, okay, so it will tell you who's opening this page. It's kind of a little bit shady, but anyway. So the links are working here. So like I said, just follow the prompt here and just click on them, and it will take you to what you need. So now let's minimize this. Let's go to the softwares that you're going to need, because this is an important part. As you know, we work in ProjectWise, right? And everything is going to be in ProjectWise. And now I'm thinking of this. This is because we're going to be doing training. And when you're going to be doing training, you're going to need to open DGNs. But I'm thinking y'all should maybe watch all the videos and be done with them. And then after that, I guess I can start doing like a weekly videos with y'all how like to start working on something. So let's see. I don't think I have access to Nevada. I don't have access nowhere there. So what I'm thinking, this is later on. If we're gonna do this, we're gonna need a working folder. Anybody like it's working in a project, they're gonna need working folder. Oh my, actually, dang. Oopsie, forget what I just said. For some reason, I have access to all the project. Okay, so what I was thinking is we're gonna need to create some working folder for our team somewhere. So let's not think about that right now. I will talk about that later on with Catherine, and then we can work on it. Because I'm just going to leave Nevada for now. Let me just go to Florida, because I know what I'm doing there. I mean, I don't want to mess up stuff here. Let me go to Florida. The point of that, because when you're going to fire up ORD in your machine, it's going to prompt you to either work locally or work in ProjectWise. Because I don't want you guys to get confused, because you can work locally and in ProjectWise, but we're going to be working in ProjectWise, period. So because you are a new beginner learning, I'm thinking even the work area should be in ProjectWise for you as a learner. Okay, so this is Florida, as you guys can see. So this is what I'm thinking. We're gonna create a project. I guess I need to talk to Catherine, and then we get the approval, and then we work on it in somewhere in your oh my goodness, in Nevada. And then after that, you're going to see the project, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to say working folder, and then we're going to have y'all names here. Like everybody's name. So everybody's going to have his own. Like for example, this is how we usually do the working folders. See, like this, you can add your 4x4, and then in the description add your name, and this area here is going to be your stuff. It's going to be your files. Because if you double click on it, it's going to open the software. So that's something I need to still work on, but for now, let's not think about it. I'm gonna make another video in the future when that's happened already for y'all how to use it. Okay, The other thing is, as you can see, I have ProjectWise Explorer 2024, right? In your case, you probably don't. And that's good. That's not bad. Let me go to Control Panel. So this is what I would like y'all to install in your computers. And I will show you how to order them also from my IT. So the publisher, by letters, here we go. So OpenRose Designer. I have also OpenRose Designer 2024, but I also have the OpenRose Designer 1012, which is what I think you guys should install for training. But later on, I feel like when we're going to start the real project, we're going to be in OpenRose Designer 2024. For a beginner, for somebody who's getting trainer, I promise you, there are no differences between this and this one. If you're going to follow that list of those softwares and how to work them out and how to watch them and play with them, using 1012, it's wonderful. It's easy. It's good for you. And you see, ProjectWise, I have 2024. But in your case, you're not going to have that. You're probably going to have the 10.0. So, and by the way, don't ask about Project Drive. ProjectWise Drive is a whole different software. So please don't confuse them. The one that we use is called ProjectWise Explorer. It's different from ProjectWise Drive. ProjectWise Drive, actually, we do not have any project in Atkins Reels that actually use it. Only few. And only few people have access to that because this has got to do with another cloud, different than the cloud that Explorer use. Okay. So let's go to your My IT. Let me close this. So go to your home page, the sphere, and then, as you know, you can get My IT from here. And then these two lovely girls, you pop, search IT resources because it's changed. It used to look different, but now it looks like this. So this is what I would like you to do. I mean, you come here. First thing is, let's first, I mean, in case you don't have ProjectWise, right? ProjectWise, search. Of course, ProjectWise Explorer, because it's going to show you the drive. It's going to show you other softwares also called ProjectWise. But you only should have ProjectWise Explorer. Okay, as you can see here, there are the 2024 and the 2023, but the one that you guys have, and I expect everyone to have, is this one, the 10 version. Why I don't want you to have these? Because I know most y'all in Henderson, Nevada use V8 softwares, meaning MicroStation, SS2, SS4, the inroads as you guys call it. It's not allowed to work here. Bentley stopped supporting and allowing those V8 softwares, the old MicroStation, to actually work with ProjectWise 2024 or 2023. So stay away from these. And also for the AutoCAD, one of them actually, which is a whole different thing. This one support the AutoCAD. Let me click on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see here, the Bentley ProjectWise Integrate have an AutoCAD 2025. Because somebody called me last week and they had a ProjectWise 10 version, but they have AutoCAD 2025, and AutoCAD 2025 did not work with their ProjectWise that they have, which is the 10. So that's the solution was for him to download and install 2024. Why I'm showing you this? I'm showing you this because most people, when they just download ProjectWise, maybe they just don't pay attention to read the release note. So I always see, just see what they have here. If there's something important here, read it. But let's not worry about that for now. The safest bet for you, for what you're using, for all the projects I know you guys using, is to have ProjectWise the 10 version in your machine, okay? Which is this one. And then let's do OpenRose Designer. Or just OpenRoads, because OpenRoads, you're going to see there are a lot of software. There are OpenRose Concept Station, OpenRose CAD Sign, Sign CAD. Oh, yeah, there are a lot of them. The one that you need, as you see also in OpenRose Designer, they have the 2023, 2024. Like I said, don't worry about 2024 for now. When the project is going to be done and ready and we're going to install production, decision will be made then. And if you're going to use this, later on y'all will download that. But for now, for training, let's go find 1012. Here we go. See, this one. Bentley OpenRose Designer Connect 1012. So let's click on it. And let's do add to cart. And when you add it to your cart, you're going to actually see two softwares here. So don't freak out, right? So let's open it. The two softwares that you're going to see the same one that you requested, the 1012, and you're going to see this one. This one is called Bentley Connection Client 2025. This is the software that need to be installed in your machine that will actually make sure that you have the license. So this is the one that allowed all Bentley softwares to be operated. So I'm assuming if you guys already have ProjectWise, you're probably going to have this one, but you probably don't have this version. And this is how you check your versions. You go here, and where is it? And you open it. You can do about. Let me minimize this. I want to actually open it. Here we go. So when you open it here, you click here, and you go about, and you're going to see the version that you have here. So this is the latest and greatest version. So I recommend you, even if you don't have it, just you're going to download it anyway. If you're going to download 10.12, it's automatically going to send this to you. And this one, by the way, it's already in all of us in work in our software center. It's already been dispatched to everyone. No matter what ProjectWise you are using, no matter what ORD that you are using. So again, you come here, like I said, type for work, for train, whatever you guys do it, and then check out, poop, and wait on it. Wait on it till it comes. So, and then you go to your software center. Let's go back here. Okay, I usually do this here by oh yeah, y'all, you see how many people want to talk to me? Okay, you probably guys didn't see this in my other screen, but we'll see. Anyway, so you come here. I usually do publisher by name, and I click on it, and you see publisher by name here. Pop, 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 pop. And you find the software that you have. As you can see, I have a lot of them because I've been doing work all over the place. See the 23, 24, but what you're going to need is a 1012. So pop, 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 Open Rose Designer 1012. You click on it and click on install and then follow the prompt. You are good to go. But before you actually install the software, forgive me, you actually need to install the client connection. That's if you don't have it, which is I'm assuming everybody already have it, which is here. It's usually up top. Pop, install. And this is the version that I told you about. Everybody right now, if you went to your software center, you're going to find this. It's already dispatched to everyone. So pop, click on install this, and then after you do that, go to Open Rose Designer 1012. And of course, you have to shut down your machine and reopen it again. Right, as you know, where's 1012? 1012, here we go. And then pop, come install this, and then when you finish this, close the machine and open it again. And the same thing also for ProjectWise, right? Because where's my ProjectWise is? So here we go. ProjectWise Explorer, like I said. As you see, this is the 2024 that I have, but the one that you guys have is this one. If you don't have it, you need to install it. After you order it, you need to install it. And then you're cabiche, you're good to go. So, if you first time opening ProjectWise, like I said, poop, it's going to open right now. I have 2024 on my machine because I do not work with V8 softwares or AutoCAD or all of that, so I don't need none of that. And because I'm doing a lot of Bentley, I also need the latest and greatest. So this is ProjectWise. This is how it looks when you open it. And you know, you double click on whatever your data source is, it will sign you into it. For example, for y'all Nevada, let me double click on it. It's going to take me to Nevada. So while is that happening, let's go here. Let's go find Open Rose Designer 1012 so I can open it. So if we're going to go here, and here we go. This is the FDUT 1012, and it's 2023 release 3. That's what they call it, and it's 2012. So let's open that. And as you can see, by the way, ProjectWise, I already have it here. And I have access to all these projects. You probably do not have access to all the projects. You probably have access to some of them. And like I said at the beginning of the video, later on I'm going to work with Catherine and talk to the ProjectWise people so we can have a place in ProjectWise for us to be as a work area for us. Okay, so let's not worry about that for now. So let me close that. Open Rose Designer 1012. It's opening. It's in my other screen. Where is my Teams? Let me take my Teams here. Okay, the first thing that it pops, you see in ORD, when you first open it, you're going to get this window, right? And it's going to ask you where you want to go, right? Which data sources. I mean, later on when everything gets fixed, you know what to do, right? You go, pop, 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 find your Henderson, your Nevada data source. Where is it? There you go, Nevada. And then You guys only use this, right? The Windows domain. So you click on this and then you sign this so you can use your Windows credential and pop, you do login. If you did log in, let's see what you can do right now. You're gonna get this. You're gonna get this window, but you have nothing else. But you should not actually do this anyway, because if I did cancel or I did log in, it doesn't matter. This is not how we work in ProjectWise and ORD. You're not gonna open anything from here. But if I clicked browse here right now, it's actually gonna take me to ProjectWise to that data source. As you see, it already took me to Nevada, but that's not what we're doing here. What we're doing is the following. Later on, like I said, when we're gonna have a proper place for y'all, you're gonna have a place here that's called for training, and you're gonna have a folder with your name, and then inside it you're gonna have a DGN file. You double click on it, and from there you fire up OpenROS Designer. Okay? So I just wanted to show this stuff for y'all because I know it might be overwhelming, confusing, and always, you know, guys, I'm here. You know where I am, seat 49. Just holler at me if I'm there. If not, find me in Teams. The other thing is I would like to say is I installed Civil 3D AutoCAD different versions in my machines before, and let me tell you, it's hell. It is horrible. I'm not talking about the software. I'm talking about how what is it called? The Civil 3D, the Autodesk softwares with Bentley softwares, the OpenROS Designer, they hate each other. Your computer gonna be freezing. Your computer just gonna be doing some funky things. So if that's the case, maybe think about it. I'm not telling y'all what to do. Think about it, but this is what I do. Maybe don't install this stuff in your machine. Don't install OpenROS Designer 1012 for your training in your machine. Because right now you still have other tasks and other projects. Maybe use the virtual machine. Because in the virtual machine, it already comes with the softwares in it. You didn't even have to worry about installing anything. Which is, I'm going to show you this. I know some people say they only use the 20 and it froze on them. That changed. It became better. Since I've been in the company now for a few years, it was horrible. I agree with y'all. But now it got better. So go to your search here and just find what is it called? The Omnisa Horizon, or in your desktop, because I have two screens, you're going to see it. It's this green situation of a cloud. So if you open it, and then let's do US. And the same password that you actually use in your computer. And it's going to do the same. Also, it's going to send you to your machine, to your app or your text, or how you have the verification of Microsoft set up with your account. Type in the numbers. Oh, I think I did them wrong. And then it's going to log in. And then ta-da. And by the way, if I forgot, when I first open it, you're going to see two logos like this. You're going to see the US and the UK. Always go to the US. Don't go to the UK. So is this your first time opening this? You're probably not going to see these. They call them personas or virtual machines or cloud PCs, whatever you want to call them. So these are softwares in the cloud. These are computers in the cloud that actually have softwares for us. So the one that you're going to need to have, which is probably you don't have, is this one, Highway 12. So double click on it. I will show you how to get it. Don't worry about that. I just want to fire it up for you. So let's do exit full screen. Let it open. Because by the way, yeah, you can have it like one screen, two screen, whatever you want. Oh, denied. Come on now. Okay, let's do that again. Damn, I was just trying to say that it's good and wonderful, and y'all embarrassing me now. Damn, I'm still denied. What the heck? Come on now. Why? Let's try another one. Exit full screen. Okay, denied. Damn. Okay, well, denied because probably the server is down. But don't worry about this. I will actually, what I was going to show here is I have it already covered up in another video, so I'm going to attach that video with this. And I will show you actually how to operate that and how to work. So let me show you how to get these personas. Okay, go back again to your SharePoint, and then let's do my IT. And let me disconnect, do OK, and close it, by the way, because I want to try it again, just for the sake of it. Let me put it here, so the US, double click. So let's go to the IT sources here. Let me type my password. Maybe I typed my password wrong. I don't think so. Anyway. Okay, so you go here to search, and you type VDI. That's what you need to type. That's it, VDI. Okay, I got the code. What's the code? 395892. Okay, so this is the one. This is the virtual machine. So if I clicked on one of these, before I go try again the virtual machine, you go here, and you're going to see those personas or those cloud machines. You see them here? 10, 9, 11. By the way, these ones have ORD 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 10, 12. And unfortunately, which is I think we're going to be working in I-80 for 2024, this persona claimed that it's 2023, but it does not have 2024 in it. 2023, 24, but it does not. Let me show you why. So if you clicked on it or clicked on any of them, you can actually see all the software inside that persona. And if you looked here, I only see OpenRose Designer 2023. So this is why I did not want to recommend y'all use the 2023 or 2024, because 2023 actually was not a good version. 24 is better, but 10, 12 is wonderful. So if you go back again here, this is the 10, 12. And you're going to see all the softwares here, including the OpenRose Designer 10, 12. It already comes in it, so you don't have to worry about that. So who needs this? So what we're going to do here right now, you type your 4x4 ALMA 3838, that's mine. And then you get my name, and then let's add it to cart. Let's minimize these, and you see my cards still have the old softwares that I added there. So let's take them out. Or you can order them at the same time, it doesn't matter. And it's the same thing, just type whatever you want here, check out, wait for it till you get an email approval, and then poof, magically it's gonna appear here. Okay, before I end this video, let me try it again. Let's try to sign in again, because I've seen this happen to me before. I've seen like access denied, and then I tried it again, and then it's working, which is strange. But I know, this is still, what is it called? Okay, you see now it's working. It's why y'all are worried and afraid from this lovely virtual machine. Okay, you see, it's signing in right now. Let me minimize the screen. And I'm actually happy that this happened, just so you see how it is, right? So just give it a second till sign in. And to the magic of editing, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause the recording for a second till it's sign in, then I will come back. Okay, we are back. I think it was under a minute. I mean, you can see the time here. It didn't change that much. Here you go. It's open right now. And when you first open it, let's click here. You see these. If I clicked on this, because this is my laptop and this is my ultra-wide machine. If I clicked on them, it's going to open this virtual computer into a screen. If I want it just in one screen, what I'm going to do is just for this screen and click apply. As you can see, it's going to make it big like this. Here we go. So now, I just want to show you some few things here that I think it's good for you to do. So let's make a full screen. Okay. First thing I would like you to do, you guys, whenever you sign in, it's probably going to sign into Teams, but just sign out, because your team is already have it in your local machine. You should not have it signed in here in your virtual machine, because this virtual machine have no access to your microphone or the speaker, so you can hear and talk to people. So you can message people from here, they're not going to answer you, or you cannot talk to them, even if it's ring here. You always have to answer it from your local machine. So what I usually do, I mean, right now I already signed out because I already did that before, and I just X this, and kabish, I will never see it again. So let me just sign in, just so I can show you how it's going to be if this is your first time opening it. Nope, I don't want to do that. Sign another way. And then if you have the app, you select the app, but I don't want the app. I have a text from my situation, so let's click on the text. And then you're going to get the code. And I'm just doing this just to show you how it's going to look when you guys get it. Okay, what is it? 429460. So it's going to sign in. And also the client connection that I told y'all about, you're going to see this here, just ignore it because you cannot say recommended. This is Bentley recommended this to you, but you know, in this company, we cannot install any software, right? If it's not vetted, if it's not in my software center and my IT and all that. Yours probably going to be like this. I'm going to sign out. When you first open it for the first time, it's just going to be like this. That's it. What you need to do is type your email, or if you are lazy like me, go here, click on yourself, and then just copy it from here. Boop. And then let's go here. Let's paste it. So if you write your email right with no mistakes, if I click next, it will automatically sign me with no password. If it, God forbid, asks you for a password, that means you wrote something wrong. So let's just do next. It's going to sign in. So yeah, when you have Teams, like I said, it's going to be like this. What I'm going to do is you click on your picture and then sign out. And then you see here, poop, sign out. And you're never going to see it again. Okay, so before we end this video, let's make sure all the softwares are here in this 1012 persona. Okay, Open Rose Designer, as you can see here, the 2023, which is the 1012. If I opened it, see, that's the release. That's ORD 1012. And then project-wise, I already have it here. We can search for it, right? Project-wise Explorer, let's open it. Sometimes I'm being too fast for the machine, right? Takes time to do stuff. But that's okay, because we already have our recording. So yeah, and then you're going to see this window. If you did what I did, you're always going to see this window when you open it. When you open it, just pop, close this, and you're never going to see Teams during your whole session. Okay, as you see, ORD is firing up. Give it a second. I also have project-wise firing up too. Yeah, and as you see in this persona, they already have the project-wise 1010, so that's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna click X this, and like I said, either sign in or cancel. I'm just gonna do cancel because anyway, you should not do this. How you're gonna open it? You're actually gonna open it from project-wise. When we make that for y'all, ta-da! Okay, it's opening, it's working, fine, good, wonderful. Okay, pop. So let's close it. And then exit the screen. You don't have to shut down. You don't have to do nothing. What you need to do is as simple as that. Pop, X this. It will ask you to disconnect. Pop, disconnect, and you left it. That's it. And if it happened to you what it happened to me before, denied, do what I did. Shut it down. Try it again. Okay. Well, with that, we are good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make it because I just wanted to make it clear for everyone because y'all. I mean, I've been to another company before, and I've been to this company when they usually just tell you learn something. Not a lot of people go above and beyond to explain stuff, and I feel like this is important for y'all to know because I told Catherine I'm going to make sure y'all are set up right, and you're not going to need no one, and you're going to have everything that you need. I am here. Please reach out to me. Anyway, thank you for listening. Please have yourself a wonderful day.